Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing another wig review slash wig install. So today's company that I'm working with is ReadyWig. They did send me over a 24-inch black yaki straight synthetic lace front wig, and again it is 24 inches. I'm just going to show you guys kind of what the package looks like, and like you can have like a little unboxing experience with me. Just make it a little quick and simple, nothing too crazy for the unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. This is very pretty, it's very classic. And I also have their hair care card, how you can take care of the hair to make it last a little bit longer, just by like putting your hair on a wig stand or something to prevent it from tangling. Comb the hair with a loose tooth comb or like a wide toothbrush or whatever you call them. You're supposed to clean the hair twice a week with shampoo, warm water to remove dirt or grease. Air dry the hair and put some conditioner if necessary. Keep the hair dry and clean. Put it back inside the box when you're not wearing it. That's just to help the hair last a little bit longer. As you guys know, it is synthetic hair, so it's not going to last until the end of the world, but you can help it last longer when you take care of it better, and not sleeping in it and laying around in it will help. So now here's the fun part. So I'm going to show you guys what the wigs look like straight out of the pack. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. There are 2 combs by the ear, and then there is 1 comb at the back, and they also have adjustable straps here to connect the wig, and that's what the inside looks like. And then this is what the frontal looks like. So that's what I'm going to show you guys on the flip side. And y'all don't mind my my cap on my head right now, because I had a wig on earlier today. But as long as we can get this cute, oh my god. I need to figure out, I'm so happy. I'm starting to love middle parts. Like I used to be so stuck on like, oh y'all, like for real though, look at that. That is really bomb. Hey, ReadyWig. Okay. Oh my god, like I feel like I'm literally not about to have to do anything to this wig. Like I'm about to just pop a hat on and pop out. Okay. I'm really feeling this though. Like for real though. Y'all came through. That's what, okay, like not feeling the way that my makeup, like once I put the glue on my face, like my makeup started to smudge. So I decided to wash my face, take the wig off, like wipe all the makeup off, and then reapply the wig. This is what it looks like without any makeup on it. So this is the finished look. Again, this company is called ReadyWig. Everything for this company will be listed down in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. I also will have a coupon code in the description box as well, so you guys can take advantage of discounts. Of course, who doesn't want to save money? This wig unit was $57 and some change. I will list that across the screen at the bottom. But yeah, if you want to get some money off, just go ahead and use that coupon code, girl. And I do not get anything from you guys using that coupon code. That is strictly for you guys to get a discount. Like I'm not gonna get anything out of that. I just want to thank you for watching this video. If you're still watching to the end, I will see you in my next video, but make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also go ahead and hit that subscribe. Also turn on that notification bell so you do not miss an upload from me, because your girl is on a roll. Okay, and also go ahead and comment something down below. Just let me know you watched the video. Go ahead and comment something. If you have any questions about the wig that I did not cover in the video, you can also comment that down below. But yeah, that is all I have. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and thanks so much for watching.